Hey everyone! In this guide, I'll show you how to set up Shopify payment gateways in the US, step by step, so your customers can pay smoothly and your store can start earning revenue. First, log into your Shopify account and go to the admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then select Payments. This is where you manage all payment options for your store. Next, you'll see Shopify Payments as the default gateway. Click Complete Account Setup and enter your business details, including your employer identification number, banking information, and personal details. This ensures you can receive payouts directly to your bank. After that, consider enabling additional payment options. You can activate PayPal, Amazon Pay, Apple Pay, or other third-party providers to give customers flexibility. Each gateway will ask for account information or credentials, so follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Make sure to configure payment settings, such as accepted credit cards, payout schedule, and fraud protection. Shopify allows you to test payments in sandbox mode to verify everything works correctly before going live. Finally, save all changes and test your checkout process. Ensure that customers can complete transactions without errors on both desktop and mobile devices. And yeah, that's it. Setting up Shopify payment gateways correctly ensures smooth transactions, builds trust with customers, and helps your business grow. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. VoiceOver